Best over-ear headphones of 2024, top picks to be recommended. In the audio tech market, picking the perfect pair of headphones can be a daunting task. Thousands of headphones are at one's disposal, and it's quite a challenge to foresee they would yield the best sound quality, comfort, and features for any given application. Meanwhile, to that effect, we've compiled a great list of the best over-ear headphones of 2024, including top picks from big brands like Sony, Sennheiser, and Bose. Whether it's a music lover, a gamer, or someone who likes to watch their favorite shows and movies without interruptions, we've got your back with our expert-tested recommendations. Sony WH-1000XM5. The Sony WH-1000XM5 is the cream of the crop for wireless headphones, paired with enhanced active noise cancellation, class-leading call quality, phenomenal sound, comfort, and connectivity. These headphones head into truly distinguished territory against the competition. However, a more streamlined design with improved eco-friendliness is just icing on the cake. You're never without your music at 30 hours of battery life and quick charge capabilities. You can customize your listening experience with the Sony Headphones Control app, and the touch controls do a fine job. If you're looking for the absolute cream of the crop, then look no further than the Sony WH-1000XM5. Sennheiser Accentum. The Sennheiser Accentum is a mid-price ANC headphone that punches above its class. With a whopping 50 hours of battery life and a quick charge to boot, you can be sure to enjoy hours of a stretch of music. You get a rich, balanced sound with the signature Sennheiser sound. There are plenty of bass notes to give your music energy. ANC is impressive, while transparency mode is a nice touch. Multi-point connectivity and adjustable side tone lets calls as trouble-free as possible. If you're in the market for a high-value headphone, the Sennheiser Accentum puts a flagship right in your hands. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones. Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra Headphones are considered the ultimate standard of noise-canceling headphones. Immersive audio technology and loads of extra truly transport you to a silent world with these headphones. The modern design is comfortable, light, and effortless, with smooth controls for levels of noise cancellation that allow in some ambient sound with aware mode for the perfect listening experience. The 24-hour battery life is just a godsend, and the volume control at the fingertips is just nice. If you want the best noise-canceling headphones, then the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra should be the way to go. Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless. The Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless is practical, comfortable, and the perfect headphone for life on the move. You will never be without your music with 60 hours of playtime. Easygoing Sennheiser sound is smooth and well-balanced with effective ANC. Seamless connectivity is assured with Bluetooth 5.2 and aptX Adaptive, while the supplied 3.5mm cable is a nice touch. With the auto-win noise reduction and robust ANC, these headphones can handle everyday commutes without a hitch. If you're after a perfect all-rounder headphone with impressive battery life, the Sennheiser Momentum 4 Wireless is hard to beat.